Previously on Meiosis, Cha, Chin-ho, Bong Cha, and Chung Hee have formed a tight bond over the last year. They have gone through Prophase together, their spindle fibers have appeared, and Bong Cha knit a very nice-looking sweater. Things begin to get rough when their nuclear membrane home disassembles and synapsis begins to occur.
Cha is kidnapped by her homologue, Chin-ho, and Bong Cha is kidnapped by Chung Hee. In each tetrad, the chromatids of the homologous chromosomes are aligned lengthwise. The genes on one chromosome are adjacent to the corresponding genes on the other. Cha and Chin-ho chromatids are together, and Bong Cha and Chung Hee are together. The women have forgiven their kidnappers.
Fast forward again, and genetic recombination has occurred. New genetic material has been made. Cha and Chin-ho have eaten their child, and Bong Cha and Chung Hee have put theirs up for adoption. Now it is time for Metaphase I. The two tetrads living in a cell house together line up along the midline of their home. Spindle fibers from one side of the house attach to Cha and Chin-ho's centromere, and spindle fibers from the other side attach to Bong Cha and Chung Hee. Let's see what happens in Anaphase I.
Chin-ho and I are going over to the other side of the house. We are sophisticated chromatids attached by strong centromeres.
Fine. Chung Hee and I will go to the other side of the house. We don't need you. Our centromere is stronger than yours.
We are now going through independent assortment.
Yes, and this results in genetic variation. It is time for Telophase I and Cytokinesis I. We are now on opposite sides of the house.
The two tetrads cannot stand each other, and one of them decides to move out of the house.
You know what? I can't do this. Do you really want me and Chin-ho to move out of the house, girl?
Do what you want. Do you think Chung Hee and I care what you guys do? Do us a favor and just get out of here.
Fine.
And this concludes Meiosis I. Both couples have moved out of the house, and now there are two cells. Both couples contain one chromosome from their homologue, and the two cells contain half the number of chromosomes as there were in the original cell house.
Next time on Meiosis. After the two tetrads have undergone Meiosis I in their nuclear membrane home, things have been calm in both houses. That is, until Meiosis II begins to uncover in both homes.
The two couples repaint on nuclear membranes onto their houses. They are unsuspecting that Prophase II is about to occur. Spindle fibers begin to move the couples to the midline of their houses, and there is nothing they can do about it.
The couples are now facing opposite poles of the house. Is there anything they can do to stay together after Anaphase II? Are Cha and Chin-ho destined to be together, or is their bond just not strong enough? Will they die from the complications that come with eating their own child? How will Bong Cha and Chung Hee overcome their differences? Find out next week when the couples go through Telophase II and Cytokinesis II.
Cha and Chin-ho get into a huge fight over whether or not Cha is cheating with another chromatid, and Bong Cha and Chung Hee just don't feel a connection anymore. They all split up, and during Telophase II, a nuclear membrane forms around the four new houses. Watch next week at 10 p.m. for more Meiosis, the Korean drama.